Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with PNC Bank, fast setup step by step clearly. To begin using Zelle with PNC Bank, ensure you have your PNC Bank mobile app downloaded. Open the PNC Bank app on your device. Log in using your PNC Bank online banking credentials.
Once logged in, locate the Transfers option on the main menu.
Tap on Send Money with Zelle. If you're a first-time user, review the terms and conditions associated with Zelle. After agreeing to the terms, tap Get Started to proceed. You'll need to set up your Zelle account by providing your email address or mobile phone number. Choose the option that you prefer for receiving notifications about transactions. Input your preferred email or mobile number, and follow the prompts to verify it. You may receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code into the app. Once verified, your Zelle account is now linked to your PNC Bank account.
To send money, return to the Send Money with Zelle feature in the app.
Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Decide the amount you wish to send. Optionally, you can add a note for your reference. Review the details of your transaction before confirming. Tap on Send Money to complete your transaction. You'll receive a confirmation once the payment is successfully sent. To view your transaction history, go back to the Transfers section and select Zelle Activity. Now you're ready to start sending and receiving money using Zelle with PNC Bank.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.